And look here, y'all. If you want to eliminate the bird nest, crow's nest, eagle's nest, buzzard nest, hawk nest, whatever kind of bird nest up under your hood, eliminate that squealing, get you one of these right here. I've been seeing these on some of these other cats' videos. I'm like, man, where they get a green belt from? Find out that's a heavy duty belt. I already replaced the tensioner pulley, and I replaced the idler pulley, which is over here. You can see it down there if I move my big finger. But that'll shut the bird nest up. Here's the part number right here. I hope that it worked for you the same way it worked for me. Y'all be blessed.